Good evening. Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of my new AirPods Pro. This is the one with the MagSafe Charging Case. So yeah, let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box is a picture of the AirPods Pro themselves. On the right, as well as the left sides of the box, we have the Apple logos. On the top, it says AirPods Pro MagSafe Charging Case. And on the bottom, we have the barcode, serial number, the compatibility, so on and so forth. And on the back, we have a picture of the AirPods Pro in the charging case and a description of the AirPods Pro in several languages. Okay, so we have a tab right here to pull to get the plastic wrapping off. Put the plastic wrapping aside. Take the top off. And right on top, designed by Apple in California. Right in here, we have a quick start guide. Safety and handling, regulatory compliance information. I guess this is for Thailand. And a 1-year limited warranty summary booklet. Okay, so next up we have the AirPods Pro themselves. Put it aside. Further inside, we have the extra ear tips. You have, I believe, small and large. And lastly, we have the lightning to USB-C cable. Okay, so let's take it out of its protective wrapping. Okay, put it aside and let's connect it for the first time. Okay, so let's unlock my phone. Okay, if I open it up, and there you go, the AirPods Pro, connect. And it's already connected. Some information, media control, noise control. Hey Siri, not now. Announce calls and notifications. Set up later. AirPods Pro. Battery status for the case as well as the AirPods Pro. And we're done. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new AirPods Pro with MagSafe Charging Case. Thanks for watching and goodbye.